Welcome all, Papa G here. Today is Saucy Sunday. It's where we focus primarily on low-carb recipes for sauces, condiments, and dressings. Most of the videos will be short and to the point, just something to help add a little flavor to your low-carb diet. Let's get started. For this week's episode, I present one of the easiest enchilada sauces you'll ever make. Oh, and did I mention it's only half the carbs of the store-bought version and has twice the flavor? Here's a comparison of my sauce versus that of a popular store-bought version. You'll see not only does it have about half the carbs, it also has less calories, less sodium, and a few more health benefits. Let me show you how to make it. Begin with the sauce pot on medium heat. Add 2 cups of original V8 tomato juice, 1 cup of chicken stock, a generous amount of chili powder, some garlic powder, smoked paprika, a little cumin, ground black pepper, and whenever I use xanthan gum, I like to mix it with at least 1 or 2 spices to help prevent any clumping. Here I mixed it with a little salt. Mix with a whisk until the xanthan gum and all the other spices are blended well into the liquid. It's important to note the type of chili powder you use will make a big difference in the spice level of your sauce. I'm using the basic chili powder here, but if you use something different like this ancho chili powder, your spice level will increase dramatically, so use a little caution. Simmer and stir until you've reached the desired consistency you prefer. Use now or pour into an airtight container and let cool. Store in the refrigerator until needed. There you have it, folks, my low-carb enchilada sauce. A super simple low-carb recipe to help bring Mexican cuisine back to your diet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.